Good evening, everyone. Twitch, are you okay? Oh, finally. Okay. So there was no streams last week. I was a little bit ill, so I didn't stream. But I played around with AI, and today we will be doing some AI-assisted reverse engineering. So there is a Ghidra Assist plugin. Let me make it smaller. And I tried it with a open source version of ChatGPT model. But today I downloaded special model. We'll see how it will perform. It's where is this? Let me see. Something LM for decompile, I think it's called. Yep, this one. But of course not the original one. Where is the? I thought there was a link to the Hugging Face. Oh, there it is. So there's a bunch of variants. I will be using 22B. But it's quantized. So we will see how it will go. But first, Trovo, what's happening with you? As far as I remember, tomorrow should be deadline, not today. It doesn't want to connect the stream anymore. So apparently they killed the stream endpoint. But I didn't get any notifications about this. Announcements, let's see. That's not what I expected. Okay, let's see. Trovo, end of life. Just as far as I remember, yeah, shut down on June 30. I thought 30 will be the last day, and first one is final date. All live stream service were terminated on June 30 at midnight. Oh, okay. I thought is the last day. Yeah, there it is. They just decided. No, there's a. What the logic? I understand if it was a like midnight between Sunday and Monday, but why it's not? It's not the first of the month and not the first of the week. The entry point for live streaming mode will be officially closed. Okay. That was good knowing you. Trovo. So long. So we can remove this setting from here. Okay, let's get on with our task. Hey, what the hell is happening here? Where is my chat? And this dish. Okay. I played around with read files. What the fuck? Function on compress read file. Just let me find. So I was trying to understand how resign works. And there was something to do with files. I assumed it's about notifications which pop up down there. Where is the... come on, not this one. Okay. Resign. I'll go on. Okay. Well, okay, resign. Oh, I didn't place an address here. Okay. Resign. Define data. Okay, decompile. File path. This is a function for heap allocation. Okay. Function resign. We got it here. Okay. Some structure and these two functions. Let's see this first. Something to do with emergency and epidemic. It's like global watcher, which iterates over everything. What happens in the hospital? F. Wait, please. It's an F. Okay. I var. So it's offset. It's index by size. Dr. Pop-up text. I think it's text when there is someone trying to resign and there is a pop-up message about it. Dr. Pop-up text index. Where is the whole freaking object for this? There is a lot of reads. Read. compare this to 0, okay. Not 0. Then we go here, okay. And there is this function. And these reads are it's a different function. But it seems like printing this stuff because it's accessing this buffer for the text, which is responsible for displaying stuff in the game. And it's the same function. Dr. Pop-up text, language sections. This is a wrong return value. Extra out, what got? Return L. This one. CL into AL. So it's again 2 bytes. It's also, it's a -1. This one also. Okay, then if I will change this signature to Word. It should all disappear. Why? There's clearly 2 bytes. Why are you glitching like that? This one function. Wait a minute. That is a call. It returns into EIX, for example. But this is overwritten by L. So this is not used. And there is a return value of void. What? It doesn't return anything. Why it's thinking that it's something returns? Ghidra, you're drunk. There is no return. The right signature. Why it thinks that there is some value? And we can recompile doesn't help. It's again the same function. Maybe if I will change it like that. I will get back here. Word. And now if I will go here and return back void. And go back here. Okay. I broke everything. Ah, mine. If I will nullify this, it works. But if I will try and return back to, for example, short, which is 2 bytes, with some reason getting this. Am I missing somewhere return with a full value? L. Okay, I see another function. It also returns void, but for some reason Ghidra doesn't want to know that. If I will edit this to return, for example, short. Hello, Kitas. AI is helping like that. You can open a function and ask it to explain, for example. So I just started to playing around with it, so there will be some problems. So right now I loaded the special model for reverse engineering. This one, if you're interested. You are on YouTube. Will it send it to you? Okay. I got a second model, which is usual ChatGPT open source version, and I'm testing which one will behave better. I'm using LM Studio on the backend. Let me see what's happening there. Is it even working? Timeout, nice. Why? Just before I played around and let me see. And 3 main is now called. So that's what it's a ChatGPT answer. So as you can see, it explains pretty well the start of like creation, heap, getting version of a system. There was another thing, or it was in a different project. There's a cookie stuff. There is another function which I asked about. It explained about argument parsing. Where is the main function? Main. There is. So there is a explanation about some parts of a main function. Also, there is actions, but I tried like a couple of times. It gives you hints and can like suggest actions like creating structures, renaming variables, etc. Okay, model, you are loaded, but why I am not getting an answer? I see you working. So at least you can have a assistant which will basically find standard library calls for you, like standard call conventions. I think it can understand names of standard arguments, so you can propagate it easily. Because before, when I did it myself, like I have this get version. It's a library function from a Windows. It returns the number which represents like major, minor, and oh my god, errors. So I renamed it myself, but this thing can do it for you. Error, Film Studio, check provider. Timeout. Let's see. What are you telling me? I can't. We can see it. There's an error in the model output. Let me see. Channel error. Oh my god. I forgot. So here in the settings, you are selecting the model. Let me see if there's there's a key, sorry. So here you can see the model selected. I forgot that it doesn't select the model which is in the memory that pre-selected, and I try to load the second model, but there is no enough memory to load it. Oops. So let's see again. This, I'm not interested in this function. This function I already asked. There is a main. Also, where was I? I lost thinking function. So let's try. Oh my god, this function is freaking huge. If I will ask about it, I can get timeout also, because my PC is not powerful enough. Wilp, shit. Let's see. There is a resign thing again. Speed up process. Yeah, but you will need to do something also. There is some models, I think, which like you can feed them the binary and they will fill out some like helpful information, but I didn't test it yet. I'm trying to use it for now like an assist. So let's try and analyze this function. Okay, processing prompt is going. And there is a prompt. Before it was different. Interesting. There was a prompt about like you are reverse engineering machine, like professional, and specialty is like teaching vulnerabilities and stuff. So originally it was specialized in like pen testing. Yeah, you will need to verify the output. So it doesn't replace the proper engineer, but it helps. What it does interesting right now. Okay, apparently this model is just decompiling the code right now. Where is my window? Where is the end? Okay, I see. This is prompt is coming from the model itself. So if I will change the model, the prompt will change also. With body. So it's analyzing the function and returning a string of decompiled function. So basically it returns something like this, but not exactly. I hope at least. Oh my god. There is some flags. Let's see what it gave us. Oh my god. It's not formatted. Okay, now it is. So what it gave us? Okay, it's basically decompile. Okay, okay. Now let's try with ChatGPT model. So apparently this model does only one function. It's decompiling. Or I need to understand how to work with it. Come on. Load model. Num, num, num. There it is. Blind. Tish. Go on. Loading. And come on, 90%. Oh, interesting. I forgot. I need to change it here again. ChatGPT. Okay. Oh, interesting. Hydra assist. So there is a repo of this extension for the Ghidra, which I'm using. Where is settings? UI. I just wanna try and find the original prompt. must be stored somewhere. React. Your reverse engineering assistant. But where is summarizer? Illustrator prompt. Okay, let's play around with this prompt. Okay, it's analyzing. Whoop, there it is. Deciding whether to trigger an announcement or resolve a pending condition. Time-based checks and random chance. Okay. Perform an action, otherwise return 0. Let's see what you will. Oh my. Let's see this one. Okay, as usual. Rename variable announcement index to announcement index. Retype variable random. Double word. Rename function. Hospital object update state. This one. After create hospital object. I have already hospital object. Yeah, sometimes it gives some weird actions. Applied. And where is it? there's like one main problem with this assist. For example, it gives you an option to change the function name. If I will apply action, it will change it. But if I will like remove this change, doesn't matter. And if I will go to another function and I apply this, it will apply it to the current function, not the original one. It doesn't understand the context of where the cursor is in the Ghidra. And that's a little bit funny when you like ask what to do, and if you go to another function and you will see the result and you will decide, yes, I want to apply it, it will apply not to the function where you asked, but to the function where you are. And sometimes it can mess you up pretty bad. Yeah, for now I got to do most of things myself, but that may be not the problem of a plugin or the model, but just because I'm using it like second day and I'm just bad at it. So maybe like professional can use it properly. But is this one I need? There is. Okay. There is a default system prompt, which I saw. So you are professional software reverse engineering specializing in cybersecurity. You are intimately familiar. That's interesting. Software reverse require. So I basically need this thing, and I want to change this. Okay, let's do it like that. I will change you this, and then plus this thing. Oops. This thing we will change also on the just space. And now we can what are you doing here? Regex. Like that, I think. Now, just to be sure, all of the double spaces. Okay. Yeah, it's a learning process. Yeah. So there is our standard prompt. Okay. So for example, there is a simple function. What will it say? Just I know what it does. But maybe it will explain me precisely what each of these values. Function implements a simple linear congruential what? I don't know this words. No, fuck. Can you get me only this part, please? Yes. Linear congruential generator. Oh my god. Sorry for the flashbang. Just can it explain me these values? Why they're specifically like that? Kinda interesting. Find this. Nope. So you can try and ask per line. Line multiplies the current value stored in the global random by this number. This arithmetic creates the next internal state. Constant or fixed. Okay. No. I don't wanna. I want a new chat. Fun. Can I create new chat? Why this function uses these specific numbers? Can it answer me? I hope it will not answer me according to this old chat. There is a one. Yes, it's answering the wrong thing. What the hell? Okay, there it is. Let's use it like that. This. And it's thinking. Nope, it is not. Okay, let's remove everything. Now it's thinking. I'm not sure which function you are referring to. My god. Where is this? Nope. Ah, yeah, it grabbed the correct address. Okay, now it's generating answer. Just maybe it's just an algorithm and it have to use any like constant values, and they decided to use this one. Let's see. What will Magic Machine tell us? Voila. Oh my god. There's a lot of data. So, tiny linear congruential generator, okay. Updates a global seed. Yeah. It changes it all the time. Oh, that's good to know. I didn't notice it for some reason. So it doesn't return just a value, it changes the global value in the whole game. And basically every other event will be depending on the previous sequence. Okay, determined value, rotate the bits. Specific number, you asking the constant. Choosing because it's relatively prime and gives a decent period. And non-zero odd value, and ensure that generator never gets stuck at 0. Rotation mixes high and low bits, helping to decorrelate successive outputs. Multiplication is the same as left shift, which together with the right shift gives a full 32-bit rotation. Okay. This is the formula. Small odd integer, reasonably long period. They chosen empirically. So basically, yeah, they just chose it. Okay, let's go back. That's a pretty detailed answer, but I don't know how much of it's accurate to make sense. But at least it gives you the name of a algorithm, and you can verify if it's actually the thing. Oh, this is a little bit different, but no, mod M, mode 2 and 32 power. Okay, seems legit. But I know that this function actually generates random numbers, so it's good. So this we saw. This generates notifications. I want to check the functions about file reads. Must be here, I think. Read file, for example. We got 4F. Oh my god. There is a read file function somewhere. There is. So let's see. Address is correct. Submit. There is also a sim graph, but how I understand it requires this Ghidra assist. Where is this thing? So this project got this sim graph AI. So you will have to pay for this thing to work. But it like creates some graphs for you. Pretty powerful. There is a semantic graph which you can see. There is also there's analysis for this thing. But yes, this is what LLM summarization requires in their API. So you can extract structures from Ghidra analysis, but to make summarization, you can't use local model apparently, only their service. Or maybe again, I just don't know how to properly attach my model. Okay, let's see the summary. Fancy graph or less fancy graph? You be the judge. Just like Ghidra itself got some graphs. It's function graph, and there was a function graph, I think. No, it's same. There, I think there is a visualization for this thing, but I don't remember where. Or it was also a plugin. Function call graph. Ah, there it is. Yes. So basically this and this pretty similar. But here you can like do analysis of each function and it will show you this summary. Here you have nothing, just relations. So basically it's the same on steroids. But you need to go in each function and summarize first. This thing I don't understand how it works. What I need to write here. Name comma separated substring range hex start end pairs. Maybe I need to add a range of functions here. I don't know. For example, if I will grab this as an endpoint and this as an entry point, what I will get? Include ranges. Tish. Ranges hex start and pairs, comma separated. Who knows? And like, there is no button to start this thing. So I don't know how it works. Okay, let's see what we got here. But I need to get back to my previous function. This one, okay. So, let's see. Manages asynchronous EO and per thread data structure. State flags, ensures the operation is enabled. This apparently performs non-blocking read file. To fill an input buffer. Can you explain me this? No function in current location. Jump. Oh my god. Okay, it doesn't have this DLL on it. What the fuck are you doing? Okay, we got handler, buffer, and this stuff. Okay, there's some errors. Initialization and early exit. Function start by calling this function. If it returns 0, simply returns. It then obtains a pointer to the predefined thread context. Interesting. Based on this and param1. If the file handle stored in that context is -1, it releases a mutex held for that thread and exits. Oh my god. Release mutex, it's here. Hash mutex. So this whole thing is handler. Oh my god, it's some kind of class. Read flag, offset C. This one must be 0 to proceed. Overlap structure, offset 14 is cleared, and the byte count to read is calculated as a difference between two offsets. It's kept at 800 hex. Then it writes a file. Routine treats binding as a normal condition. Okay. This is waiting for some semaphore apparently. Gotta go, good luck. Thank you. You also. Have a nice day. I will be playing around with this thing. Meanwhile, routine waits indefinitely for a single event handle passed on the stack. Then returns the handle if the wait succeeds. Otherwise it returns 0. Why it's on stack? Interesting. Let me get back here for a second. Where was this thing? No, not this one. What the hell? Xref. Find the reference for this. This. And I have also this function. Oh, sorry. X, okay. Coming here. Or it's fixed. Oh my god. Okay. Some long function. How I managed to lose this function? The hell? The hell? Where is this thing? Some announcement. Um. Interesting. I lost the function where I was fixing stuff. Welp. That's fun. Mm. It's labels. Let me do one thing then. Okay, this one. Ah, okay. It was one of this. And there it is. Okay. So oh, wait a minute. Can I go to here and look at this? So this is this function. It shows the calls. But can I see the returns? Security, new. Then let's get this thing. Oh my god, this graph is enormous. So switch case, there is a return number 1. AL, this return AL, this return also AL, this AL, that's also, and this one, and this one. Okay, so far so good. Okay, there is override for the return. There's also a L. And this a L. This. This return L. There is a call, but it's overwritten. To this one also a L to 0. 1 0 no, -1. -1 -1 -1 okay, it's all L. I can see it here. L. Oh my god, and I'm in the middle of it. Just if there's in one place will be not the short value, it will break it all the time. I can't just assume anymore. I need to actually check this. If anyone knows how to do it more efficiently, I will be glad to know. Except to check every return value by hand. -1, -1. Just for some reason, Ghidra decided that the return value is 4 byte long. Usually it's pretty good in finding this stuff. But maybe like these calls messed it up. -1, -1, -1. 1 -1 1 L. Okay, so far so good. Oh my god. Oh my god, where am I? Turn, return, turn, everything L, 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 L actually AI come here. What am I doing? Let me grab in 100 473 EC0. Is there any return from function which is not 2 bytes long? Will it be able to crack this? But again, it can tell everything it wants, but I need to verify it. Okay, it found it, I think. So far it's all AL. Just I more like believe in the Ghidra because it's a simple algorithm which decides return values, not assumptions. And for some reason it decided to mess up with 4 bytes. But for now I only see 2 byte returns. Print store by L into L, okay. L CL to L. L. I'm almost found. Checked everything. Return. L. Oh, am I? L. L. Everything. L. 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 Okay. So no returns more than 2 bytes. No. As he's stupid. So return type 16-bit integer, and all return functions that exist function do this. So with the default, is ix. But if I will mess up with you, and I will change it to undefined for, will you answer change? And we will just in case create a new chat with you. Okay. It's declared to return short. No, it's not. Or I need to freaking save it so you see the change. All of the return instructions in its body simply pop the registers and return. None of them perform an extra stack manipulation or return a different sized value. Oh no, stop. New. Oh, let's try again. All return functions are the ordinary 2-byte opcode 3. There is no form of return with a stack adjustment. Okay. We will believe you. Okay. Let's investigate what's happening with extra out. So this return -1. Why it's doing like that, I have no idea. There is a function which does not return anything. And it understands this. Okay, let's see. It's all the same function. No, this we can ignore. This one. It for some reason thinks that it returns something about this. But there is nothing about... I see. The confusion of Ghidra. So the call returns usually... Where is this function? 4 bytes in the EAX. This function returns 2 bytes according to its signature. Oh my god, I'm stupid. Wait a minute. There is another error. It's not a short. It's a byte. AL, it's the lower part. It's not AX. Oh my. It's a byte. Maybe I'm idiot. I'm confused myself. AL, it's a lower part of EAX. So EAX, it's 8 byte. AX, it's 4 bytes. Oh no, EAX, it's 8 byte. No. 32 bits. It's 4 bytes. As far as I remember my math. It's 4 bytes. So the normal 32 bits. So it's easier actually for me in bits. 32, it's EAX, like here. AX, it's 16. It's 2 bytes already. And AL and AH, it's lower and higher part of AX. It's freaking 8-bit. It's 1 byte. That's why it was glitching. Because I was trying to return more than supposed to return. And now you can see, when I changed it to byte, everything was fine. And as you can see, our assist did a big mistake. Now we will see classic change of mind of AI model. I think it will tell me that yes, you are correct. Yeah, now it writes that it uses single byte return instruction C3. There is no 2-byte form. You stupid machine. All exit points, 1 byte. Well, shit. So at least we get a nice clean function now. No. So this function responsible for printing stuff and Dr. Popup stuff. Dr. Popup. Wait a minute. Can you get this thing off? Sprint doctor text. Sprint doctor. Doctor. Doctor buffer. Dr. Popup. Okay. Okay, so we can rename this function into print Dr. Popup text. Incoming calls with nothing. And it returns always some kind of result. And it's not an ID or something, it's just result. -1, 0, 1, and I think there was 1 with a variable. But okay. So this thing is a switch. And it's changing right here. Interesting. Hospital index by F. This is some kind of structure here. Or it's a it's an address of a structure. Interesting. Let's see. For this, I will need cheat engine. I don't want to update you right now. Can you? Now we need Theme Hospital itself. Inject. Let me add address. So I wanna see this thing. Switch. And it switches by double word as usual. So here is our thing, and it got 0. Now, what we got here, for some reason it's 1. Can you be a double word, please? And there's a 3 more. Interesting. Is this a structure? Why you're casting to 1 byte? Okay. Never mind. I'm stupid as usual. Double word by this thing, not by the value. So it will generate an address something using this thing, but this actually a byte. If I will see this thing, the ref to here, we will see basically 1 byte, 1 byte, byte, only byte access. So this value is a byte. So here we also need to change. It will be byte, and this will be byte. Okay. Save. So for now it's 0. If I will start a new game, it's 29 by default for some reason. So case. Can I change all cases to bytes? Okay. So it's 29. If I will set to 0. Nothing will change, yeah? If I will get this, it changed. No. messed up. If I will return this, okay, it will not tell me anything again. If I will do it like that, okay, doesn't change. Interesting. It's always 29. Let me switch you to hex. It will be 1D. So this is this. Mm, 1D. It's this one. Oh. I hope it's not the language feature. One D. 1E. Interesting. Or this function. Okay. Maybe. This function is not called anymore. Because this byte referenced where? A lot of writes. But wait a minute, if it's a print, it should be accessed every time. What's the difference? Interesting. B1, B1, B2, B3, so this also something. And some bytes, interesting. Zero. B0. Not equal to. Otherwise it will break, but interesting. If I will change it like that and do it like that. What will happen? Nothing interesting. Find out what access this address, please. What we got? This function for some reason isn't called. So maybe it's called only for some special occasions. Not for everything. We can check it just like that. Memory view. Here. Now. Where is this magic? Oh, where I found it last time. Show symbols, show address, user-defined symbols. There it is. Add symbol to dish. Okay. Breakpoint. Now restart. Reception desk. Place. No. It's not called. Strange. If I will restart the game. Not the network game. It's load safe. I accidentally pressed. Okay, let's go here and see what will happen. Apparently nothing. Okay. You are called from where? It's only one place. Oh my god, what the hell is this thing? Main loop. Okay. Play intro, map animation, username field. For some reason there's broken stuff. Let me see. So LAMP dedicated decompilation, supporting decompilation Linux binaries. Oh, okay. So I can't use this because it doesn't understand Windows binaries. Well, shit. I should have read it before. Okay, interesting. If I will just grab all of this. Um, almost. Up to here. Copy. And can I feed it here? New. Can you decompile this binary code? Give me some code in C. Oh, let's see how it will handle just decompiling this. Oh, I messed up, but I gave too much. Oh shit. I just wanted to give it an entry point. Accidentally, I selected several functions apparently. Mm. 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 Bytes I need actually this. Oh my god, that was so much easier. Okay, the byte stream. You posted a massive chunk of raw machine code. Um, it wouldn't be useful. Can you do what I was telling you? Shit. This. That. Copy. Okay. Mm. High level handcrafted decomposition. Functions compiled for x86. La la la. Oh my god, we've include noise. Hmm. Jumps, return value, okay. This function for BO. BO. La la la. Well. Function pointer. Basically it gave me the same thing. Okay. Get command line. Just I wanna understand the start of the engine also. String copy, CLI argument. Count is 259. Can rename function. Win main. Time the line, retype. String copy. Char size. Okay. It's a byte. It's not the counter of argument. And a byte of a buffer in bytes. String copy. That's basically copy of a library function. I have no summary of this. Yeah. I can ask for the library function. Just why it's a pointer, yeah. Function implements a highly optimized version of a standard string copy routine and copies up to count characters from source to destination. Stop earlier if a null terminator encounter. But destination with null bytes is shorter. Early exit. If count is 0, return destination. Then alignment stuff, return. The function always returns the original destination pointer, matching the standard contract. No padding, bounding, and alignment handling. me see. Just is it returns char pointer? Return move yikes, yeah, pointer. Where is it? I think. So jump 0, jump 0, jump 0. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump, move. Jump, 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 return. So yeah, there it is. Just usually when it's a pointer, you can just modify the pointer and the data will be inside. But they operate with addresses and still return the address. Okay. Yeah, they always return the address back of a destination. Just here we actually don't use the return value. They use global with arguments. CL args. It's a pointer. CL arguments. While it's not zero terminated, it will check for the tabulation or spaces and advance the for loop. Interesting. Then this is this argc. It's counter. So, oh my god. Argv, let's rename you. So they're getting counter, add, then pointer. Okay, so it moves pointer and stores it here. Oh my god, in according to the counter. Strange logic. Move that here. It's arc. Well, it's not 0. Okay, so I think interesting. Arcv, argc, char pointer. Can I retype you? Choose data type. Char pointer. For some reason it doesn't show me pointers. Again. Char pointer. Hospital char pointer. For some reason it still doesn't change the cost. Can you... because it's an address of argv. Let's see what we got in memory actually. Here we got 1. And in argv we will find an address. Go to address 0005. Come on. 509139. And there it is. It's an address. It's a pointer. Can I change it to null terminated string pointer? C-string pointer. Terminated C-string pointer. Just usually. Win main signature. Okay. Interesting. We are pushing this, and this is for the model. Previous pointer. A Handleton instance, a Handleton model has no meaning. It was used in 16-bit window. Contains command line argument. Just if I will change this signature, what will happen? SW in main, accept the command line argument as an NC string. Okay. E main argc pointer. Can try and call you in main. Okay, doesn't matter much. Where is a pointer? There's pointer. Hey, just pointer. Can you? Okay. It's clean and let's return back char pointer. Game struct address. Okay. Let's look at this thing. Address. It's game struct pointer. Let's move you up. And that's what we got. Roll this memory. This is our structure. The first one is pointer to function table. Table, yeah. And it's again the same. 49, 90, 60. What? 0, 0. 49, 69, 80. Huh. That is different. Uh, 0, 49, 69, 80. Game method. With this and byte. Free memory. Well, there is a thing which wins. Yeah, there is. Oh my god. It's direct draw things. Create trade and wait. Window procedure. Okay, heap. Function. Start address of what? There's so many structures. Pointers. Index. Okay. Let's get back to the read file because I want to try and find the structures in the memory which are responsible for all of these things. So how the game actually loads the files. Here is our function. And this is reading get file header. This read something. Read lk. And that's also okay. Type propagation algorithm not settling. Okay. Let's see. It's called from here. It's this and some var. Thread params. So it's basically a thread for reading files. Thread proc. Oh my. Create file. Create thread. Let's see the debugger. This one. Touch this. So we will try and understand how the hell works reading files. Symbols. Okay, it's again broken a little bit. It's annoying. Why I can't reset the size of these things? There's a read file. Okay. But we need our thing. Read file. So place a breakpoint here and we need to restart the game because of that, so we can catch it at the start. So entry point, okay, let's go, and we are here. So read file. We are basically here. We got this on stock. And where is the values? Oh my god. Okay. So return to come on. Hospital sub here. F9. Okay, get file header. That's a handler apparently. Yeah, we're pushing from the last to first. That's a buffer where it should be stored number of bytes to read. It's an 8. The next return is here. Get file header. Yeah. So we are here. We're getting 8 bytes of some file. That's decompressing stuff. Next return is here. Yeah, read file and uncompress from this config. Oof. Hospital config. And this file is I moved it. Yeah, there is. Hospital config. Add this. That command. Dot hospital. It's a path. Get file header, numbers of bytes. Read file. So, okay. we are here. We will not get in, we will jump around this. And why we're here? Let's get out of it. So here we are again. Oh my god. In our binary. That's good. So we are here. We got one. Which is return bool. Yeah, this thing I prefer to look myself. Oh my god. And then doesn't give me original one. Read function in core exposes, yeah, so basically bool, that's correct already. But the actual value, as far as I understand, is LP buffer. It's out, yeah. Pointer to the buffer that receives the data. So test EIX, okay. Just where the buffer which holds the answer. LP buffer. Let me try again, just for giggles. F9. So here is this, and following dump. This should be an address where it's stored. Why? Okay. Because it's the start of a stack. End of the stack, I can't move. So this is what I need to look at. And we got something here. Yeah. Install something. Yeah, install path somewhere should be. And let's see. This return, double word. Just integer. And yes, -1. Okay. And we got amount of red. We got number of bytes. And we are getting here. If okay, close handle anyway. Decrement. Why it's like that? So basically it closes the handle to the file object. Decrement value compared to 1. It's like counter how many handles opened to this object. Function attempt to close Windows object handle using close handle, then translate the boolean result in status code. During one of the closed operations succeed and -1 otherwise. So no, it's not a counter. Ah, come on. Really. Okay. Just I don't understand why this is such a problem here. Decrement. Yikes. Yeah, it's using the whole register. Okay, so we kind of closed this thing. We got 1. But we don't use the result. And we're discarding it immediately. Yep. We're saving some variable into this register and push it as a string compare. Okay. String compare this 90. Following the dump. So this RNC. Yeah, it's checking for RNC signature. Yeah, if this file is compressed from the header But where we got header? No, okay, out the buffer. Apparently. Yep. So we're comparing just 4 bytes because RNC dot, I think it means. And ESP push, 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 and call. And this is a string compare. Simple. Voila. We got result. Compare result. If it's 0, we will decode, I think. If not, it will read it as a plain file. Jump is taken. And there is our this call, create file and get size. Oh, come on, what am I doing? I need this. This C7, yep. No. EFC, where is it? EFC. There is label. No, label this. String compare. C7. C7. What the fun? What the shortcut? Alt. Semicolon. Get file header. Okay. So we will call this get file and create file and get size. Oops. It just creates file. File name. Voila, we're getting file size back. But interesting, where it's created. And why it's creating some files. It's like checking for write permission. Okay, this is. We are here. Hospital config. It should be like here in the hosp, because install path leads there. Where is this thing? Or I removed it. Yum, 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 yum. Where is my sync? But I removed it from here. Okay. So next thing, heap allocation. Interesting if it's actually a file or it's a handler. Okay, compare, jump, move, and call. Create and allocate. Viva 37. Looks like size for me. So why it's casting to file handler? Integer. Oh my god. Create and allocate. Okay. It's address on the heap. 3 and somewhere 7 bytes. Okay. And test jump not equal. And we will copy config into this place. FB8B. This one. The push. Yeah, hospital config, I suppose. Yep. And we pushed address, not the value. Then we're calling this. Let's add the label for now. Read file and uncompress. That's again this thing. Number of bytes read. Get file header again. Create file. This is something. Check for RNC. NR or C. Okay. NR C. Why there's extra out? So we are here in the uncompress. Let's get in. It's a call. That's not interesting. And we will get what I just pressed. Get in. Get out. Jump. So we read a file. I got here. Okay, I see. Because I have a breakpoint. It broke there. So I got header, so we got 8 bytes. That's okay. Number of bytes not equal 1. We'll call this F. No, it's yeah. Yeah, 8. Oh my god. Where am I? I'm in the wrong function. I'm inside this one. Why I didn't name you? Close handler. Yeah, 8. Okay. We know this. Kinda. Let's go here. Jump. No. And now we are here. Yep. F6B. Create file with. Shit. Okay. Pretty obvious. Compare to -1. It's checking for handler. KBX. Okay. 320. Let me see. 55 bytes. It will not work like that. 320, it's 800. No. So it's a handler apparently. Not the size of something like that. the dish call get file handler header. Again, we are breaking here. Let's get out of here. So add C compare to -1 push and close handler. And here we are pushing a bunch of stuff. And at some point we populated this thing. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 7. So we got contain of this thing. There is some non-printable things. Let me check it. Oh my god, I forgot that you are white. Yeah, there is the ending. So eng 0d 0a 1a and 0 terminator apparently. Okay. So apparently we did it here. Header, okay. Let me finish this thing. This is a function. Okay, why it extra out like that? Едай, ESP. This is the address. So here we got EIX1. We moved tag, pushed EDI, which is this, which we got from this ESP18. So this two doesn't exist. Signature. Are you okay? Ah, it's this call or fast call. At least it thinks that this is a fast call. RAM1, but it's not used anywhere. How it's supposed to be with a fast call. Oh, wait a minute, there is a push. RAM1. Ah, okay. ECX, EDX. Huh. Push. But it doesn't mean that it's used. Just for savings. Interesting. Just what we got in the ECX. This thing, EX1. push. Convert, apparently. Remember, just do use. We comparing immediately AX with this thing. But we got 1 here. Huh? Load. Okay. That's changed. What is this? Load SW instruction info. Huh, what is load SW? Assembly. For legacy mode, load word address into subds ESI into AX. Load byte word double word from the source operand. So it's not a fast call apparently. Where is MSDN again? MSDN calling conventions. Where is so let me see. Push and then add ESP. Push parameters on the stack in reverse order. It's a CDECL stack cleanup caller. Looks like this. Everything else is a callee. So callee cleans the stack. But here, if we get to return, we don't move stack. We are popping stuff. Let me see some function which I know, because I can mess up. So return decrement push add. So again, cleaning is here. CDECL add ESP10 pop. Okay, let's see if I will change you to C declaration. Okay, and if I will remove this too. Wait a minute. Okay, yes, like that. This goes like that. Undefined 8. How? Turn. What is this? EX -1. Oh my god. Yikes. Interesting. Why it returns 8 byte. Let it be just int. There's still some extra out stuff. Open memory. UR is extra out. Move AL. Move AX. Huh? There it is. There it is. And where is this thing? Call. Move. Then into IL. AX. So by there's some extra out stuff. Or IVAR. Because IVAR is not integer, but short. Short. Um, what's wrong with this function? Compare AX to this. So this. Jump not equal. Jump here. Move AX 0. STC. What the hell is this thing? Single set carry. What? Store character. Good carry flag, okay. There is no English for this. Instruction pour le processeur, numérique, set carry flag, okay. There is a carry flag, okay. Leave. Interesting. Why it can't understand this? ivar1. Word pointer. So this is short. This ivar3. It just doesn't exist anymore. We got ivar2 with a move. Okay, let me retype you back. Double word. You are 3, my god. Can I clear you? Just if I will do this thing, it will break a little bit. Think that this is a function for some reason. What he will say. Oh. Implement the core compression routine. Okay. Just because it's broken, can't understand what's happening properly. This function, then we're setting it here. Just, yeah, it's underscore. It means that this is overlapping. Return exchange LH and return. Interesting function. Not gonna lie. Load is there. Exchange, roll, exchange. Reads 1 byte from offset 9 of the input. Set pointer. Copying. Compression. Stream return. Transparent 2. Left shifted 32 bits. Oh my god. function reads integer from address, stores in the register. Reconstructed unchanged. Yeah, what the hell is... We can... What keys? Okay. Yep. Let's see what will assembly return. Misspelled, but I think it will understand. This thing, why you word? Because it won't place your word pointer. So I can change this, and you will be double word. In plain English. Loads value. Swap the 2 bytes that form the low 16 bits. Rotate all 32-bit value. So we switched this, then rotated the whole and switched again the bottom. Return to color. And this function b0, b1, b2, b3. And each half first byte swap. Okay. But why this is so ugly? Okay. I will need to check this next time. Because for today I am finished. Actually, my time is out for today. So I will see you all tomorrow with a new game. We will be playing some retro games. So stay tuned for the notifications, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good rest of the day. Have a good rest of the evening, and bye-bye.